Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the troubleshooting code E10 in Electrolux Perfect Care 600. So, if you want to turn on your device, start the cycle of your washing machine, it's during the cycle and you see the E10 troubleshooting code. That means the appliance does not fill water properly, and the possible solutions: check that the water valve is open and make sure the water pressure is not too low. In the next step, make sure the water valve is unobstructed. Also check that the inlet hose is not kinked, damaged or pinched. Make sure the supply hose is connected correctly. If the problem persists, call the service center. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.